Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to our next tutorial on Android. So now here today we'll concentrate another one that is very important. That is how to generate APK file. It's a very important. So how to generate APK file and how to install this in other devices like. So once whenever you are developing application, you want to share your application to some of your friends and all, this apk file is required. But how to generate this apk? So if you want to generate an apk, first you need one empty folder somewhere on your pc. So I'm creating one empty folder on my desktop with name of sample apk. Like this I'm creating this apk. So here just open this folder, copy this path. So now in your Android Studio, now I'm taking some project from here. So this for this project I want to create apk. So if you want to create an apk, here is the option called build. Just click on the build. In this there is option called bundle apks and generate signed apks. There are two types of apks are there. So if whenever you want to give apk in debug mode, that is this bundle apk, directly you can give this bundle apk. Just click on this apk. So simply automatically without asking any details, directly it can create an output file. See here, process is going on. Once this process is completed, we can able to see this apk within your project level. So this apk we set as a debug mode apk. This we need to share this. So it's created. Locate. Just click on this locate. So in this, here it is the debug apk. In your project itself, runtime or build outputs apk, that is debug apk. This also you can share to your friends. Whenever you want to upload this application in Play Store, or you want standardized APK to final release, that time, so generate signed APK. Just click on this generate signed APK. Here you need to select this APK, then click on next. Once you click on next, here it is asking that key store path. We need to create key store path. This because of this key store path, just now we created there one new folder. Just I'm clicking on here, create new. Already if you have the existing, choose here, but now here create new. I want to select this path. See here I pasted that path. This is the one. Here you need to give this apk name, jks dot java key store path. This also I'm giving you as sample. Normally this we can give as application name, see sample.js. Here you can give some password. Here I am giving some password. So confirm password. Just you need to confirm that password. Then after here alias. This normally you can give the client name or this. So here I am giving you my website name, Android Indian. So Android Indian. Again the same password which we entered on the top. You need to enter the same password. Again one more time confirm this password. And here validity. This validity is minimum 1 year, maximum up to 1000 years you can give. But I am going with the 25 years now. First name. This is also client name. So here also I want to give this name as the same. Organization name same. Organization name and location. I am giving you location as Hyderabad. State I am giving this. Country code I am giving you +91 like this. But whenever you add all these details, must ensure you need to save these details in a document. Why? Because once you upload application in a Play Store, if you lose this data, you could not upload, you could not update your app in a Play Store. Because of that, must ensure you need to save these details. See now, just click on OK. Now I click on OK. Now here, if you want to remember the password, you can click on this, otherwise no need. Just go with the next step, click on next. Here it is asking the debug and release. I want to go with the release, and here I want to release both versions, v1 and v2. v1 is up to 7 it can support, greater than 7 v2 is support. So I am clicking on the finish. I selected the both, I click on the finish. So it's this process, it may take, depends on your application size, 1 minute, 2 minutes, sometimes it may take 5 to 10 minutes also, depends on your laptop as well as your application size. So that we are expecting here. Once it should come, this is only the signed APK. This APK you can share to your friends, or you can upload this APK into the Play Store. That is this. So then we'll able to see here how to, the next tutorials we'll see how to update APK, means how to update version, and how to upload Play Store. Those also we can able to see here, but now first we'll complete this, then we can able to check that one. See here, it's still running. See, once its process has completed, we can able to see here now. So still it's showing process, means it's I already said, depends on the application size, depends on your system, it may change. See now it's generated. See here, generated signed APK. Here we can see here locate. This is also the same location, means in a project itself, in a build app there is a release. Now this is the APK. This APK you can share to some of your friends to check this. Thank you. Please subscribe to get more updates.